Are epilepsy triggers genetic? Imagine your brain as a busy city with signals constantly moving along roads. Sometimes, these signals get disrupted, causing seizures. Now, some of these disruptions are linked to our genes. Yes, many types of epilepsy have a genetic basis, meaning that specific changes or mutations in genes can cause or contribute to epilepsy. Studies estimate that up to 70% of epilepsy cases are influenced by genetics. These genetic factors can be inherited from a parent or happen spontaneously, without any family history. When inherited, epilepsy tends to run in families, making it more common among relatives. On the other hand, spontaneous mutations, also called de novo mutations, occur individually and are not passed down. Genetic epilepsy results from abnormal changes in one or more genes that affect how the brain functions. These changes can make brain activity either too active or too underactive, leading to seizures. Some genetic epilepsies are part of broader conditions like tuberous sclerosis, Fragile X syndrome, Rett syndrome, or neurofibromatosis type 1. In these cases, epilepsy is just one symptom among many. The genetics behind epilepsy are complex and can involve mutations in a single gene, called monogenic, or multiple genes, known as polygenic. For example, mutations affecting neurotransmitter receptors or ion channels are common. Mutations in genes like GABAG2 are linked to generalized epilepsy with febrile seizures. Other genes such as LGI1 and DEPK5 are associated with familial focal epilepsies. The severity and how well treatments work can vary widely depending on the genetic cause. Some genetic epilepsies, like developmental epileptic encephalopathies, are rare and severe, often resistant to standard medications. Environmental factors can also influence genetic epilepsy. For example, maternal smoking during pregnancy might increase the risk, showing how genetics and environment can interact. Understanding the genetic basis of epilepsy can help in diagnosis and personalized treatment. Genetic testing can identify specific mutations, which can guide therapy choices and help with family planning. However, not all epilepsy cases are purely genetic. Some result from structural brain issues, infections, or unknown causes, though genetics might still play a role in predisposing someone to seizures. In daily life, knowing that epilepsy can be genetic helps explain why some people might have seizures more frequently or under certain conditions. It also emphasizes the importance of medical evaluation and tailored care. If you or a loved one have epilepsy, talking to a healthcare professional about genetic testing can provide valuable insights. Remember, each person's experience is unique, and genetics are just one piece of the puzzle. Always seek personalized medical advice to understand your specific situation.